Hello and welcome everyone to my channel Soha Meditation. My name is Sushil Khadka. I am a master Reiki healer, a certified meditation and mindfulness coach, and a certified law of attraction coach. I've been meditating from the past 20 years. I spend at least 1 to 2 hours of my day in meditation. So I've devoted my thousands of hours in meditation over the past 20 years. My channel is mainly dedicated to relaxation, healing of mind and meditation, be it through relaxing music or guided meditation or through knowledge and sharing experiences. I'm going to do a series of meditation videos for beginners as well as advanced level practitioners. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post my latest videos. In this video, you will learn about how to meditate effectively, and I will be providing very useful tips to overcome some of the common hurdles in meditation. As a lot of my friends and followers have asked me on social media to provide some insights to successfully practicing meditation. A lot have been written and spoken about meditation. Meditation is a perfect equipoise of mental balance and super awareness. Meditation can help you find whatever you are seeking, as it will take you on a fascinating journey through the landscape of your mind. I know there are a lot of meditation practices, but primarily meditation is of two types. Concentrated meditation, where you still your thoughts and settle your mind on an object of concentration. And contemplative meditation, a more advanced one where you have attained mastery of settling your mind at your will, and now you're contemplating with the goal of receiving an insight from your inner wisdom or the divine on a specific topic or question. A good meditator is skilled in both practices. So friends, here are some of my tips for you to successfully progress in meditation. Tip number 1, set a clear goal. If you really want to succeed in anything, you must first have a goal. Same thing with meditation. You must first have a clear goal of why you want to meditate. Either you want to relax your mind or get rid of stress, anxiety, or you want to manifest something or achieve inner peace. Start with a firm goal, so whenever your mind drifts away, you can remind yourself of the goal and bring your awareness back to meditate on that goal. Tip number 2, create a designated space. Before you start meditating, you must designate a space where you would meditate every day, as this process will create a vibration of energy in this spot, and that it will help you to tune to that frequency of meditation and eventually go deeper into your meditation. Tip number 3, meditate in short sessions if you are a beginner. All you really need to be successful in meditation is the right attitude and willingness to try and see what happens. When you are a beginner, try to meditate in short sessions, maybe 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and same in the evening, and gradually increase over time. But please make sure that your last activity before going to bed is meditation. Tip number 4, have a reasonable expectation. You need to have a reasonable expectation when you're starting out. Patience and commitment are really your key to success here. Meditation is a process that's learned over a longer period of time. So, as it takes to master and achieve the desired results you want, but that requires a lot of patience to practice. So just continue with it no matter what happens. Having an open mind will help you get the most out of your meditation practice. So friends, now you have the tips to successfully start a meditation journey. Let me also share some common hurdles while meditating and some useful tips to overcome them. So friends, the first hurdle is restless mind. When I started my meditation practice many years ago, I always tried very hard to be mindful, to be present at the moment, as that was what was taught to me by my guru. But no matter how hard I tried, my mind just kept wandering off, and I tried to bring the awareness back. But again, after some time, it would start wandering. All the frustrations, disappointments of your life comes back and hit you as you're fighting those thoughts. But that's all normal. When you start meditating, after a few seconds, your mind starts to get hit with stray thoughts from all directions. And if you try to suppress those thoughts, they become more stronger and make you even more restless. So, the best way to overcome the restlessness is stop meditating at that moment. Just relax, drink water, and have a self-dialogue. Take a deep breath. Try to pacify your mind and focus on your goal to bring back your awareness and resume your meditation after some time. The second hurdle is excuses. The second most common hurdle while meditating is lethargy and excuses. As I stated earlier, when you're starting out, start with small sessions. If you make a goal of, say, meditating 1 hour every day, the first few days should be okay. That also depending on your experience. But then after a few days, your conscious mind will start making excuses, as it does not want to be tamed. It wants to be free and go on dragging you along, and you may want to skip your meditation. So our goal here should be the quality of meditation versus the quantity. When you meditate for too long, especially when you are a beginner, your body may get exhausted as well as distracted due to many reasons, like you can't still your mind, your legs become numb, too many thoughts. And if that is the case, then you need to listen to your body and take rest. Relax. Take some fresh air, do breathing exercise, and focus on the quality of your meditation that you're really going to enjoy, as balance in meditation is very crucial to your success. So friends, third and the most difficult hurdle to pass is stray thoughts. This happens to beginners as well as advanced practitioners, and it's really difficult to get past through. The natural state of our mind is like an ocean, right? Thoughts are like waves. Sometimes they are quiet, sometimes they become tides. So during your meditation, you may experience many thoughts pour through. Thoughts that may bring you joy from your past happy memories, or that may make you sad from your bad experiences in the past. So when that happens, let them pour through. Do not respond or react to those thoughts. Just let those thoughts go out and do not start dissecting or reacting. For as long as you have an awareness, you will have thoughts, and over time, with great practice, you will be able to replace all your thoughts with the only thought or the goal that you are meditating on. That will make you a success in meditation. So here you go, friends. Now you know more about meditation and how you can become successful in meditation. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you feel so, I invite you to please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to learn more about anything else, anything specific, please do reach out to me. My contacts are below. I'll see you soon with my next video then. Until then, take care. Bye.